Welcome to a world where raw power meets precision. In this video, you'll witness the might of massive machines as they dominate colossal logs with ease. The roar of engines, the crunch of splintering wood, and the sheer force of modern technology will leave you in awe. Get ready to dive into the heart of the logging industry like never before. Don't blink. You won't want to miss a second. Tree stumps, especially from species that can regrow from the stump, are best removed entirely. Stump grinding is a great way to handle this, as it ensures the tree won't regrow. The process involves breaking down the stump and incorporating the chipped material into the soil, leaving the area clean and ready for use. The machines used for this job are highly specialized and versatile. Whether it's just a couple of small stumps in a backyard or a long row of stumps from a removed shelter belt, the equipment can handle it all. Plus, the process recycles the leftover wood into the ground, making it both efficient and eco-friendly. For those looking to fully clear trees, stump grinding can be added as part of a complete tree removal service. The Fay 20R Wood Stump Harvester is a powerful machine designed for efficient stump removal and processing. Ideal for forestry and land clearing, it digs out stumps and roots, breaking them into pieces suitable for biomass use. Mounted on excavators, its robust hydraulic system handles stumps of various sizes, making it perfect for large-scale projects. The Fay 20R saves time and turns unusable land into productive spaces quickly and effectively. The CAT 966 hours is a versatile wheel loader often used in forestry operations, including wood handling and leveling. Its powerful engine and precise hydraulic controls make it ideal for efficiently spreading and leveling large piles of wood or other materials. Equipped with a durable bucket or grapple attachment, the 966 hours can easily move logs, wood chips, and debris, ensuring a clean and even surface. Its robust design and advanced traction systems allow it to operate effectively on uneven or challenging terrains, making it a reliable choice for forestry and industrial applications. A big American truck carrying logs is trying to navigate a small, tight turn. Do you think it will make it? With an impressive capacity of 14 cubic meters per hour, this machine effortlessly transforms branches and debris into firewood. Its powerful blades and cutting mechanism can efficiently handle both large branches and smaller pieces. The machine is particularly useful for forestry cleanup, agricultural areas, or landscaping projects, saving both time and labor. The resulting wood can be repurposed as biofuel or firewood, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. Thanks to its high performance, this device is an ideal choice for demanding tasks. The Koala K400 Tree Shear by Morton Equipment is a heavy-duty tool designed for efficiently cutting and removing trees and branches. It features a powerful hydraulic system, making it capable of handling trees up to a certain diameter with precision and ease. A failure occurred when the wood from a cut Trembesi tree fell into the river while being chopped with a Husqvarna 395 XP chainsaw. The Husqvarna 395 XP, known for its power and reliability, was used to cut down the large tree, but during the process, the tree fell in the wrong direction. Instead of landing safely on the ground, it fell into the river, causing a potential issue for recovery and cleanup. A Western Star truck is in full flow, transporting logs on a snowy, icy road. The powerful truck, known for its durability and off-road capabilities, navigates the challenging conditions with ease. Its large tires grip the slippery surface, while the heavy-duty engine provides the necessary power to carry the load of logs through the snow-covered terrain. The AF 500 cone screw splitter at the Paul Bunyan Logging Show is a powerful and efficient tool designed for splitting logs. This machine features a unique cone-shaped screw that effortlessly splits wood by applying high pressure, making it ideal for heavy-duty forestry and logging operations. This tractor, although struggling, is still getting the job done. The Prinoth Raptor 300, a powerful tracked machine, is designed for efficiently processing and breaking down logs and wood debris. Powered by a robust engine, it excels in tough terrains, making it ideal for forestry and land clearing projects. US Pride Products 802 Speed Cone Log Splitter is a high-performance tool designed for efficiently splitting logs of various sizes. It features a unique 2-speed hydraulic system, allowing the operator to choose between a fast, low-pressure setting for smaller logs and a high-pressure, slower speed for larger, tougher logs. The 16-24 processor with an 8-way splitting wedge is a powerful machine designed for efficient and high-volume wood processing. This processor is capable of handling logs between 16 and 24 inches in diameter and is equipped with an 8-way splitting wedge, which allows the operator to split logs into 8 pieces with each cycle, significantly speeding up the process. Removing stumps the cool way involves using a gnarly stump splitter attached to a 330 excavator, a powerful and efficient method for stump removal. The stump splitter, a heavy-duty attachment, is designed to grab, split, and remove stumps from the ground with ease. Mounted on the 330 excavator, known for its strength and versatility, the splitter allows the operator to work quickly and precisely, even on tough, deeply rooted stumps. The excavator's hydraulic power and the splitter's sharp, durable design make the process smooth and efficient, cutting through tough wood without damaging surrounding soil. This method is not only effective, but also a cool, innovative way to handle the often challenging task of stump removal. The Japa 435 is a highly efficient and reliable machine designed for processing firewood quickly and effectively. This firewood processor is capable of cutting, splitting, and stacking logs in a single, streamlined operation, making it ideal for both commercial and residential firewood production. This man has come up with his own method to break the wood into smaller pieces. The fastest firewood processor is a high-performance machine designed to quickly and efficiently cut, split, and process logs into firewood. These processors are equipped with powerful engines, advanced hydraulic systems, and high-quality components that allow them to handle large volumes of wood in a short amount of time. The TAF 657 is a powerful and durable machine designed for hauling wood, even in challenging conditions like muddy roads. With its robust design, it can easily handle the weight of logs while navigating slippery and uneven terrain. The TAF 657 is commonly used in forestry and logging operations where conditions are tough and precision and strength are required. The MS-382 chainsaw operator plays a crucial role in cutting old mahogany trees, requiring great attention and experience. The MS-382, with its powerful engine and durable design, is ideal for cutting large, dense trees like mahogany. Mahogany wood, being tough, demands a more challenging cutting process, but the high performance of the MS-382 makes the task quicker and more efficient. This American truck is not only dealing with bad roads, but constantly facing obstacles in its path. Do you think it will manage to overcome the obstacles? The Commissary 2400 HS swamp skidding machine is designed for hauling wood in swampy or wetland areas where traditional vehicles may struggle. Its specialized design allows it to navigate through soft, muddy terrain with ease, using large, wide tracks that distribute weight evenly and reduce ground pressure. The Europe Chipper's EC1290 is a high-performance industrial chipper powered by an 800 horsepower engine. Designed for large-scale wood processing, this machine can efficiently handle and chip large volumes of wood, including logs, branches, and other forestry residues. The EC1290 is built to withstand demanding conditions, making it suitable for commercial forestry operations, biomass production, and land clearing. The Timber-Pro TL 735D is a highly versatile, robust forestry machine designed for logging and timber harvesting. Equipped with advanced technology, it offers excellent maneuverability and power, making it ideal for handling various forestry tasks, even in challenging terrain. The TL735D is designed with a strong, durable frame and can be fitted with various attachments for different types of work, such as felling, bunching, and processing timber.